सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। अद्य कक्षा वर्तते कक्षायाः संख्या 77-300 370th क्लास टुडे, यत्र वयं संक्षेप रामायणमिति पठन्तः स्मः। एतावत्पर्यन्तं मन्ये कति श्लोकाः 15 श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः। तत्र सप्तमम् अभ्यासं कुर्वन्तः अपि स्मः वयं। सप्तमः अभ्यासः इदानीम् अभ्यासः नास्ति, परन्तु अभ्यासः आगच्छति। सप्तमः अभ्यासः गतकक्षायामेव समाप्तः आसीत्। अष्टमः अभ्यासः अनुवर्तते। तत्पूर्वं कश्चन अभ्यासः निदर्शनमिति समासानां सन्धिनां तद्धितान्त पदानां कृदन्तानां च तत्र उल्लेखः अस्ति, तत् पश्यामः। इदानीं प्रथम अंशे ख इति भागे वयं स्मः। वी आर् इन् द निदर्शन पार्ट ऑफ दिस ऑन पेज 358, Srinivas, where we studied Vyakarana Sandhis, and now we have also studied Kha, one part of Kha, that is Slokeshu Sadrishyarthaka Shabdanam Prayogaha. Similar words showing Sadrushya similarity in the slokas are 4 given up here. Iva, Sadrushaha, Vat, Samaha, all show comparison. Ramaha iva, Rama Sadrushaha, Ramavat, Rama Samaha, Ramena Samaha. So these are the words showing Sadrushya, comparison, similarity. So we move to Iva. The examples are given here. You can read that. Iva.
Sindhubihi samudraha
Iva.
Iva sadbihi sarvada abhigataha Ramaha.
Rama is understood. Sindhubihi nadibihi samudraha iva. Like the Samudra sea with the rivers, sadbihi with good people, sarvada abhigataha. Rama was surrounded by virtuous people, like the sea is always joined by the rivers. As the rivers approach the sea, people approached Rama. Rama is compared here like the sea. Samudra heva. Gambhirye samudra heva. Then again coming next only. Gambhirye samudra heva Rama. Rama was in Gambhiratva, in his depth, or what is magnanimity. He was just like the Samudra. Dhairyena himavaniva. So Iva, you can see the Iva will be used after the word of standard of comparison. The what is called upamana. Upama. Like Himavan is upamana, Rama is upameya. Samudra is upamana, and Rama is understood as upameya. That is. Then Dhairyena himavaniva. Satye. Everywhere 4 examples are given. He was just like another dharma devata, dharma aparaha dharma, another dharma. You are like Rama was. Then sadrusha.
Virye Vishnuna sadrusha
Rama. Sadrusha means tulya. Virye, in virya, in the matter of power, or then Rama is equal with Vishnu. One more example. Krodhe. Krodhe. In Krodha we have seen Kalagni Sadrusha. So Sadrusha here is used. When we use Sadrusha, generally Trutiya is used, Sinva, Trutiya Vibhakti. So if you split up this Kalagnina Sadrushaha. This is Samastapada. Kalagni Sadrushaha, if you split Kalagnina Sadrushaha, like the previous Vishnuna Sadrushaha, Vishnu Sadrushaha. If you join these two words, Vishnu Sadrushaha, Ramaha. Then what examples? Somavat Priyadarshana, Soma Iva, Soma Iva, Soma Chandravat, like. Next one, Sama.
Kshamaya Prithvi Samaha.
So Kshamaya, whether you use Sadrusha, Sama, these words, they require the word in Trutiya with Upamana. Kshamaya Prithvi, Prithivya Sadrushaha. Prithvi Sadrush, Samaha. Samaha Sadrushaha. Tyage.
Tyage Dhanadena Samaha.
So here also Dhanada Shabda is in Trutiya. In Tyaga, in charity, Dhanadena Samaha. Sadrushaha also you can say. Samaha, Sadrushaha, Tulyaha also you can say. 3 words. So, Ga part. Samasas given here. Sarva Samaha. Sarveshu Samaha. Sarva Samaha is equal to Sarveshu Samaha. Equal to all the living beings. Saptami Tatpura. Because where is Saptami here? Sarveshu. Sarvasya, if you say, also Shashti. Sarvasya, but the meaning will not come. Sarvasmat, you can't get. Sarvena, you can't get. So, Sarveshu Samaha. Then next read Kala. Just now we studied the above one. Krodhe Kalagni Sadrusha. Kalagnina. Trutiya is in Agni Shabda. Kalagnina Sadrushaha Tulyaha. Iti. Next. Prithvi. Prithivya. Prithvi Shabda is like Nadi Shabda. Nadya. Trutiya Ekavachana Prithvi will be Prithivya. Nadya. Prithivya Sadrushaha. Samaha. Tulyaha. Trutiya Tatpurusha. Now this is not Tatpurusha. Therefore, Yasya Saha comes here in the in the explanation of this. Priyam Darshanam Yasya Saha. The one who has got a good appearance. The one who has got the good appearance. Priya Darshanaha Bahuri Samasa. Then Ananda.
Ananda Vardhanaha, Anandasya Vardhanaha, Shashti.
There is a great writer, Ananda Vardhana. In Sanskrit, there is a great writer called Ananda Vardhana, who increases our bliss. Anandasya Vardhana. Kausalyananda Vardhana. That is the word used. Kausalyayaha Anandasya Vardhana. Kausalyananda Vardhana. It is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Gha, Krudantas, the primary suffixes. Gam plus kta. Abhi iti upasargaha, gam iti dhatuhu, kta iti krudanta pratyaya. So when we join this, you get abhigata, approached. Abhigataha. And if you, kta can be derived in all the required genders. Abhigataha, abhigata, if it is strilinga, if it is napumsakalinga, abhigatam. Understand? This is derivable. Tanta is derivable. Shatru Pratyayanta is derivable. Shanach is derivable. All are derivable except popular pratyas. Tumun, Ktuanta, Lepanta. Gatva, Agatya, Gantum, they are not derivable. Aham Tatra Gatva, Bhavan Tatra Gatva, Ramaha Vanam Gatva. So there will be no derivation there.
The derivations are not required also.
They are avyayas. That is why they are called avyayas. Avyaya participles. But this is also a participle. Tanta, Tavatu, Gatavan, Pullinge. Strilinge, Gatavati. Ramaha Vanam Gatavan. Sita Vanam Gatavan iti na. Sita Vanam Gatavati. Vahanam Vanam Gatam. Gatavat, not Gatam, Gatavat. Napumsakalinga. Gatavat, Gatavan, Gatavati. Further derivable also. By the Rama who had gone to the forest. Vanam Gatavata Ramena. So this Gatavan in Trutiya, Gatavan, Gatavantam, Gatavata will be used as an adjective, Visheshana Pada, to Ramena. Vanam gatavata Ramena Suvarna Harinaha Drushtaha. A golden deer was seen by Rama who had gone to the forest. So like that. So that is Tanta. Tavatu also we have recalled. Darshanam Drush Dhatuhu Lyut iti Krudanta Pratyaya. From Lyut, what is coming into actual operation is Ana. So Gamanam, Darshanam, Gamanam, Darshanam, Gamanam, Shravanam, all these are Lyut. Anam, where you get this. Next. Vrudha iti dhatuhu lyuhu. Actually, Visarga is also there. Lyuhu is from which again you get ana. So Vardhana. Mostly one remark here. Drush plus lyut is there. Lyut will be mostly napumsakalingas. Gamanam, Darshanam, Patanam. Like that. Dhavanam, etc. etc. Where it is a napumsaka, that word derived will be napumsaka. Whereas Vardhana is not here used as. Next. Tyaj plus ghai. From which again a is only left, which is not given here. Akara. So you get tyagaha. And in this ghai pratyaya, Tyaja, the Adi Vriddhi takes place. Tya become Tyaj. And Jakarasya Gakara, that is there in Sandhi. So these are the Krudantas. Now Taditantas, nouns formed secondary derivative words. Now you can read. Gambhiryam plus Shan. From Shan you are left with Ya only. So Gambhirasya Bhavaha. Showing bhava means abstractness. Bhava means abstractness in English. Gambhiryam means profundity, isn't it? Like profundity, which has no abstract thing. So bhavartha, we get this shine. Next, Himavan.
Hima plus Matup. Himam Asmin Asti.
For example, for this Gambhiryam, Saundaryam is there, Srinivas, popular. Sundarasya Bhavaha Shan. Sundarasya Bhavaha Saundaryam. Beauty, which is abstract. Beauty means you have to look to a person to call beauty, isn't it? So like that is Saundaryam, Chaturyam. Chaturasya Bhavaha. Chaturyam, cleverness, what we call beautiness also. I don't know whether beautiness word is there in English, I don't know. But cleverness, Chaturyam, Chaturasya Bhava. There you get this pratyaya. Himavan. Hima plus Matup. We have already studied Matup. Matup is used in the sense of possessing. Matup is so many pratyayas we have studied, Taditantas. Previously, Abhyasa. Buddhihi asya asti iti buddhiman Matup, like that. Hima Matup. Himam asmin asti. So that is the himam means snow. Himavan. Because this hima shabda is akaranta, na? So you are getting van, not man. Buddhiman, dhrutiman. Understand that this van becoming man other than akaranta, that we have already noted. Kosha. Now some Kosha is given here, dictionary. Sindhu is river, Nadi is given.
Sindhurna Sariti
Striyam Kosha. Kosha means dictionary. Sindhu you say for a river. Sindhurna. This is a Pullinga Shabda. Na is Pullinga. Sindhu Shabda is Pullinga. But it means river. It can be na. Like Kalatram is a Napumsakalinga, meaning wife. Word gender is Napumsaka, word meaning is feminine. So here Sindhu is Pullinga, referring to Nadi. But Sarit is Strilinga, Sariti. Sarit, Saritau, Saritaha. Striyam, Koshaha. So Striyam means in Strilinga. Sindhu Shabda is Pullinga, Sarit Shabda is Strilinga, that is it. So this one thing bothers even great scholars also. Linga in Sanskrit. You have to verify. If you are in doubt, you have to look to the dictionary. That is the only way.
Stri Nadyam Na Nade Sindhu Desha Bhedem Bhujau Gaje.
So in Strilinga Nadi Nadyam Na, in Purlinga Nade Nada Shabda is also there, Nade. Sindhuhu Nade Sindhuhu, these two. Sindhu is already covered. Desha Bhede, depending in the different countries, places. Ambudau, Ambudihi, also called Nadi, Ambudihi. And then Gaje. Some other places it is also called Gaja. We don't know which part of this. So some words are listed out here. Vaijayanti Kosha, according to Vaijayanti Kosha. So just for curiosity, if one has what are the synonyms of Sindhu, Nadi. Now basically Sindhu, Nadi, Sarit, these are popular synonyms. Sindhu, Nadi, Sarit. And sometimes Srotas Shabda is also used in Ramayana, Srotah. Idam te charu sanjatam yavvanam hi ativartate yadaditam punarnaiti srotah srotas vinamiva. So Srotas Shabda is also used. Like a Srota is that which flows, flowing river is called Srota. Some place it comes in I think Sundarakanda. Okay, next Kha Srinivas, Viryam. Viryam means Shakti.
Viryam Shukrecha Shaktaucha Viryam Tejaha Prabhavayoho.
Iti Haimaha, that dictionary name, Kosha. Viryam, we know. Shukra is also called Viryam, strength. Shakti, we know. Shaktau, Virya. Teja Prabhavayoho. Tejas, we know. Tejas means power. Prabha, Prabhavayoho. Prabhavayoho. Prabha. Prabha avayoho. Prabhavayoho. Prabhavayoho. Tejaha and Prabhava. These two are used here. Tejaha and Prabhavayoho. Tejas and Prabha, these are also used in the sense of Viryam. Iti Hema. So there whence Atra Saptamaha Abhyasaha Sampurnaha Bhavati. Idanim Abhyasana Kshamyatam Abhyasana Kinchit Patanam Tatra Nidarshanamiti. Demonstration of what has been there in the poems. Patiteshu Slokeshu Vyakaranamshaha Tatra Asmabhi Idanim Dustaha. Idanim Vayam Abhyasam Ashtama Abhyasam Kartum Udyataha. So this Abhyasa is based on 16, 17, 18, 19. Chaturshu Slokeshu Adharitaha Ayam Abhyasaha Ashtamaha. Ashtamabhyase Srinivasa Tatra Amshaha api Ashtav Santi. There are 8 bits in this Abhyasa number 8. Slokamsham Tatha Yojayata Yatha Sloka Kramaha Agachet. You have to arrange this so as to get the poem Srinivas as they appear in the original sloka. One is given here. One gha, one matching with gha, you get sarvadabhigata sadbihi. Then you take samudra iva sindhubihi. Good. Samudra iva sindhubihi. That is 2 ka. 3 aryaha. So 3 is Gnya. Kshamyatam. Aryaha sarvasamaschaiva. Iti Gnya. Aryaha is to the right, 5th one. 4th Sadaiva Priyadarshanaha. 4 matches with Ka. 4 with Ka. Sadaiva Priyadarshanaha. 5. Sacha Sarva Gunopetaha. 5 matches with Cha. Sacha Sarva Gunopetaha. sorry, 5, yeah, 6 now. Kausalya.
Kausalyananda Vardhanaha.
It is quite opposite to given that. So Kausalyananda 6 matches right with the opposite cha. Vardhanaha. Kausalyananda Vardhanaha. 7.
Samudra iva gambhirye.
Gambhirye. Ga. Samudra iva matching with ga. Gambhirye. Dhairyena. It is also given right opposite to that. Dhairyena himavaniva. Dhairyena himavaniva. So this is convenient. Next, 9. Vishnuna.
Sadrushaha virye.
That is nya. Vishnuna sadrushaha nya. Virye. Somavat 10.
Priyadarshina.
Yeah, jha. Somavat matching with jha. Priyadarshanaha. 11. Sadrushaha krodhe tha. Kalagni sadrushaha tha. Krodhe. Punah 12. Kshamaya.
Kshamaya prithvi samaha.
Ta. Kshamaya ta prithvi samaha. 13.
Dhanadena.
समस्त्यागे इति अंतिमः ढ. धनदेन समस्त्यागे. धनदेन इति पदम ढ इति पदेन संगच्छति. सो अंतिमः 14. सत्ये धर्म इवापरः. दिस इज ड. सत्ये धर्म इवापरः ड. सो द मैचिंग्स आर दीज. डू यू थिंक वी नीड टू राइट? Not necessary. Just repeat it. Samudra iva matching with ka. Aryaha, third one, matching with nya. Sadaiva matching with ka, Priyadarshanaha. Sacha matching with cha. Sacha matching with cha, Sarva Gunopetaha. Kausalyanandaha, look to the right opposite, Vardhanaha. Samudra iva matches with ga, that is Gambhirye. Dhairyena right across, Himavaniva ja. Vishnuna sadrushaha just down, nya virye. Somavat just up, jha priyadarshanaha. Kalagni sadrushaha one step down, ta krodhe. Kshamaya one step up, ta prithvi samaha. Dhanadena last word dha samastyage. Satye dharma going with matching with da one step above ivaparaha. So these are the things. Now pratamamsha evam sampannaha. Dvitiyamsham pashyamaha. Yathodaharanam riktam purayata. Fill in the blanks as per. There are 10 here. One is solved here for you. Samudra sadrushaha. So iva sadrushaha. Only you say samudraha iva. Vishnu sadrushaha. Oh, he is saying iva here. Acha, iva prayoga. No, but no, just a minute. Udaharan ke anusar. Sadrusha tulya also are there, Srinivas. No. Oh, you have to use Yuva Prayoga. Irrespective of Sadrusha Tulya. Okay. Sama. In the place of these three, use only Iva, he says. Okay. Then you have to take Vishnuhu Iva. You are right. Kalagni Sadrushaha is equal to Kalagnihi Sadrushaha. Iva, sorry. Iva. Kalagnihi Iva. Prithvi Samaha. Prithvi Iva. Prithvi Iva. Himavat Samaha. You have to derive it Pratama Ekavachana. See, everywhere, Samudraha Pratama, Vishnuhu Pratama, Kalagnihi Pratama, Prithvi Pratama. And here, Himavat is the Pratipadika, Himavan Iva. Next. Apara Dharmaha Iva. Apara Dharmaha Iva. Indra Samaha Iva. Indraha Iva. Dhatru Tulyaha. Now he has given clue here. It is Dhatru Shabda, you go to Prathama Ekavachana. Dhata Iva. Similarly, Bhratru Tulyaha. Bhrata Iva. Matrutulyah mata iva. So learning of iva is done here. Iva is used when the compared word is in Prathama Ekavachana only. So Dvitiya Amsha Sampannah, Trutiya Amsha, Manjushayam Pradattani Vakya Khandani, Adhrutya, basing on the words given in these boxes, you Yathodhara Rittasthaneshu Vakyan, now you make sentences. For example, no example is given. Rama, you go in the same order. Gambhir. You have to make Rama. But why one? One has to be done. Yeah, one is done here. Srinivas down. I was not looking. You see the answer. One given. One example is given. Rama. He has taken the. See, first word always is the same. Second word you come in the same order given in the boxes. Ramaha Gambhirye Samudraha Iva Asti is given. Next, you take two. Ramaha Tyaga. Where do you put Tyaga?
On the right side also, Ramaha Gambhiryena Samudraha Iva Asti.
Yeah, Gambhiryena. Acha Samudraha Iva Asti. Right. So you are deriving in Trutiya here. Next.
Ramaha
Tyagena. Wait a minute. It can be also in Saptamina. Why is he putting? I'm just. Ramaha Gambhiryena Samudraha Iva Asti. Nothing wrong. Yes. Go ahead. Ramaha Tyagena.
Both forms we have to do, sir.
Not necessary. Only one you do. Acha, here. Yeah, acha. Okay.
So in Saptami as well as in
Trutiya. Okay. You do both because empty exercise is there. So first one. Ramaha Tyage.
Dhanadaha Iva Asti. Ramaha Tyagena Dhanadaha Iva
Asti. Second one. Ramaha Tyagena Dhanadaha Iva Asti.
Ramaha Darshane Somaha Iva Asti.
Darshane Somaha Iva Asti. Darshanena Somaha Iva Asti. Ramaha Krodhe Kalagnihi Iva Asti. Ramaha Krodhena Kalagnihi Iva Asti. Virye
Vishnuhu Iva Asti. Ramaha
Viryena Vishnuhu Iva Asti.
Ramaha
Dhairye
Imavan Iva Asti.
Ramaha Dhairyena
Imavan Iva Asti.
Ramaha Kshamayam. Kshama Shabda. Kshamayam. Saptami. Ramaha Kshamayam Pruthivi Iva Asti. Saptami na?
Yeah.
Now here track changed na. All are Napumsakas mostly. Except Tyaga. Tyaga is Pullinga. Darshana is Napum. Tyage, Darshane, Krodhe, Virye, Dhairye. You can't say same way. Kshamayam. Ramaha Kshamayam Pruthivi Iva Asti. Ramaha Kshamaya Pruthivi Iva Asti. Ramaha Satye Aparaha Dharmaha Iva Asti. Ramaha Satyena Aparaha Dharmaha Asti. Shall we write this? No. Just do what the book has given. Watch them. First you have to put the middle word in Saptami, then put in Trutiya. That is what he wants to practice. So, Gambhiryena, Gambhirye and Gambhiryena. Tyage, Tyagena. Darshane, Darshanena. Krodhe, Krodhena. Virye, Viryena. Dhairye, Dhairyena. Kshamayam, Kshamaya. This is where only you have to be a little careful because this is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda like Kanyayam. So Ramaha Kshamayam and Ramaha Kshamaya. Prithvi Samaha, etc. Satye Satyena. So that you can do. If it were much difficult, I would have written, but I think just changing into Saptami and also Tritiya. Everything needs to be written as it is. Chaturtamsham Samasta Padena Vigrahavakyena Va Riktam Punna. You either fill it with a compound word or Vigrahavakya. The explanatory part of it. Now, for example, is given. Yes, read Srinivas.
Ramaha Gambhirye Samudra Samaha Asti. Ramaha Gambhirye Samudrayana Samaha Asti.
So, what is happening here is Samudra Samaha is a compound word, Samasta Padam. Samudrena Samaha iti Vigraha Vakyam. The explanatory part of Samudra Samaha is given in splitting Samudrena Samaha. So that is what you do. Ramaha Dhairyena
Himavaniva Asti.
You want to use the same word now? Himavat Samaha. Himavat Samaha Vidyati. First one. Srinivas. Ramaha Dhairyena Himavat Samaha Asti Vidyati. Ramaha Dhairyena Himavata. So what is happening here? Himavata is Tritiya. When you put Samasa, you don't put Tritiya there. The base form. Base form. Himavat Samaha. How is it used in the poem? Himavat?
In the first example, it is okay, sir. Ramaha Gambhirye Samudra Samaha Asti.
Oh, that is Samasapada. Samasapada. That is correct.
So base word only.
Samudra. Samudra is Akaranta. No, I am just checking whether this is there as it is or Himavaniva Dhairyena. Himavaniva.
In the poem it is like.
It is poem like that. No, but Samashabda is here. Eva is not there. Samashabda is there. So, Ramaha Dhairyena Himavat Samaha. Then Himavata Sam. 3.
Ramaha Kshamaya Prithivya Samaha Asti. Ramaha Kshamaya Prithvi Samaha.
Kshamaya Prithvi Samaha. Prithvi Samaha. Prithvi is Pradvida. Ramaha, the blank should be filled up. Ramaha Kshamaya Prithvi Samaha Asti. 4.
Ramaha Satye
Aparadharma Samaha.
Ramaha Satye Aparadharma
Dharmena Samaha. Aparadharmena, like the above Samudrena. Ramaha Satye Aparadharmena Samaha Asti. Next.
Ramaha Tyage
Dhanada Samaha.
Ramaha
Tyagena. Tyage is given, okay. Dhanadena Samaha. So, Ramaha, I am repeating second one. Dhairyena Himavat Samaha Vidyati. Third one. Ramaha Kshamaya Prithvi Samaha Asti. 4. Ramaha Satye Aparadharmaha Aparadharmena Samaha Asti. Prithivya, okay. Then last one, Ramaha Tyage Dhanadena. Aparadharmena, I am going from bottom. Dhanadena, Aparadharmena, going to the left. Prithvi Samaha, again to left. Himavat Sama. That's it. 5th Amsha. Okay, fill in the blanks here. Vishnuna Sadrusha is equal to Vishnu Sadrushaha. Guruna Sadrushaha?
Guru Sadrushaha.
Automatically Guru Sadrushaha. So understand now, Vigraha Vakya.
Yes.
Guru Sadrushaha Nama Guruna Sadrushaha. That is only, you have to split the, explanation, only Guruna. You can't take any Vibhakti. Gurave sadrusha you can't say. Guroho sadrusha you can say. Gurau sadrusha you can't say saptami. Nor you can say prathama. When sadrusha is used, tritiya comes. Okay, next. Bhanuna sadrusha is equal to Bhanu sadrusha. Sagar is sadrusha. Sagar sadrusha. Kavina sadrusha. Kavi sadrusha. Bhratru sadrusha. No. Bhratra sadrusha. Tritiya in Bhratru shabda. Bhrata, Bhrataro, Bhrataraha. Bhrataram, Bhrataro, Bhrataraha. Bhratrun, Bhratra, Bhratrubhyam, Bhratru, Bihi, Bhratra, Sadrusha. Next, ninth.
No, 7th is also.
Oh, 7. Prajapatina Sadrusha. Prajapatina Sadrusha. Pati. Now, this Pati Shabda in compound becomes regular like Kavi Shabda. Rajan Shabda also becomes Akaranta Pullinga Shabda in Samasa. Mahancha asau rajacha maharajaha. Not Maharaja. Maharajaha. Akaranta Pullinga like it becomes. Rajan Shabda. Maharajasya Dasharathasya. You say not Maharagnaha Dasharathasya. But when you take Rajan Shabda separate word, Ragnaha Dasharathasya Putraha Ramaha. If you add Mahat Shabda in compound with Rajan Shabda, Maharajasya Dasharathasya Putraha Ramaha. Like that. Here, what is that? Prajapatina. Pati Shabda is Ikaranta. Patihi, Pati, Patayha, Patim, Pati, Patin, Patya. It becomes Trutiya, Patya.
But here, Prajapati.
Whatever it is, Pati Shabda we are dealing with. I am telling you Pati. So, it can be any Pati added to any other compound. Instead of Praja, Devapati, Narapati, Mrugapati, any word, preceding word can change. So, Praja, not Patya, Prajapatina. Understand?
Yeah.
Prajapatina Sadrushaha. Prajapati Sadrusha. Next. Again, just now we have done, I think.
Yes.
Bhratra.
Mitra sadrusha.
Mitrena Sadrushaha.
Pitru sadrusha.
Pitra Sadrusha. Pitra. This is again Rukaranta Pitru. Pita, Pitaram, Pitra, Pitre, Pituhu, Pituhu, Pitari. He Pitaha. Sambodhana. So Pitra Sadrusha, Pitru Sadrusha. Bhratra Sadrusha, Bhratru Sadrusha. Matru Sadrusha. If you say Matra Sadrusha, like mother. So, okay, any difficulty here?
Rukaranta, from Rukaranta onwards.
Which one?
All Rukarantas.
Most, not all. Rukarantas are there. See, Bhanu is Ukaranta.
Yeah.
Sagar is Akaranta. Guru is Ukaranta. Vishnu is Ukaranta. Kavi is Ikaranta.
Bhratru, Pitru.
Vayu is Ukaranta. Yeah, dominantly Prajapati is Ikaranta. Then Ru, then Akaranta, then Rukaranta. So Rukarantas are two, Bhratru and Pitru. The remaining are Ukara and Akara. One. Okay, fine. Shashtamsham. Manjushayam, okay. Yathasthanam, stop. And now you have to put them in proper place. Pick up and put. Box is given down there, Srinivas, on page 63. You have to arrange the words.
Okay.
For example, is given Yat Samudraha Ramaha Iva Gambhiryam. What is that? Okay, you have to read this. Upamanam, Upameyam, Sadrushyarthaka Shabdaha, Samanaha Dharma means, Upamana means what? Chandramukha, you say. Chandra is Upamana, Mukha is Upameya. Chandra is the standard of comparison, Mukha is the object of comparison. So always Upamana will be higher standard. Upameya is the object which is compared with the Upamana. Samudra iva Ramaha. We say Samudra Iva means Samudra is the Upamana, Rama is Upameya. So you pick up in this order and put them here. That is the exercise the book wants you to do. So next two, what will come here? Pick up Srinivas.
Yeah.
You take two from the Dhairyena Himavaniva is there na?
Yeah.
Himavan you put in Upamana.
Yeah. Himavan, Ramaha.
Rama is standard there, printed.
Yeah.
Himavan Ramaha Iva
Samudra.
Dhairyena. That now I did not explain this. Samanaha dharma means common property. Samana dharma means the common property that is there between Rama and Samudra. Understand? The common property that is there between Rama and Himavan. That is listed at the end. That is called Samanaha dharma means common property means not our home property here. Common quality. Common quality. So, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Vishnuna
Sadrishaha Virye. Vishnuna
Ravaha.
Ramaha Sadrishaha.
Yes, Virye. That's it. So, Vishnuna comes as Upamana Shabda. Upameya Shabda is Rama. Sadrusha Shabda is Sadrushyarthaka Shabda. A word showing similarity. A word showing similarity. And common quality listed. And 4. Somaha.
Somavat Priyadarshanaha.
Somaha. Somaha. Oh, no. We are putting same way, na? Yeah, Somaha you put. Somaha Ramaha Vat. Just a bit. Yeah, the order changes here. Is bound to change. Upamana is becoming Upame here. Take Soma only, first word. Somaha. Upame is Ramaha. Sadrushyarthaka Shabdaha is Vat. Priyadarshana. Okay. 4, 5.
Kalagnihi. Ramaha Sadrishaha Krodhe.
Yes, Kalagnihi Ramaha Sadrushaha Krodha. I think we need not write Krodhe, Krodha. That is the common dharma. Samana dharma is Krodha. So you can Priyadarshana, Viryam, Dhairyaha, Dhairyam, you can say we have put it Gambhiryam, Dhairyam, Krodha here. Not necessarily Saptami, Krodha. Next, 6. Prithvi Samaha. So Prithvi Upamana. No, not like that. No. First word is Upamana. Prithvi Ramaha Samaha Kshama. Kshama is common property. So there is a confusion here. 6th one is Prithvi is Upamana Shabdaha. Upameya Shabdaha is Ramaha. The Sama Upama, what is called Sadrushyartha Bodhaka Shabdaha, Samaha. And then Samana Dharmaha, common quality between these two is Kshama. Kshamaya is used in there. 7th. Dhanadena Samaha Tyagaha. So Dhanadaha Ramaha Samaha Tyagaha. 7, 8.
Satya Dharmaha Ivaparaha.
Aparaha Dharmaha Ramaha. Aparaha Dharmaha Ramaha Iva Satyam. Common Satyam. I think this needs to be written. A little confusion is there. Part exercise number?
Number 8, part 6.
Part 6 is to be written. Yes, Srinivas. What is? I will hold the book. Need not again. I will myself do. Red is okay, na? Ink.
Yes.
So one is given to out of Upamanam, that is to be written, na?
Yeah. Himama.
Here is Upamanam. Next,
Upamayam is not required. Sadrusha.
Upameyam, that word is there, but we'll leave blank.
Sadrishyarthaka shabda. Sa, sha.
Sadru
Sha, sha.
Shabda.
Samana.
That isn't it? Okay, right. Now we go. One is already done.
Himavan
Okay, you just read. Himavan.
dash.
I don't want to use now this. Black will be better.
Himavan dash.
Rama is there. Upameyam is okay, the same.
Yeah, Hima. Samudra. Sorry,
Dhairyam. Right.
Vishnu.
Vishnu.
Dash. Sadrusha. Veeryam, sir.
Viryam.
Somah. What? Dash. What? Priyadarshan. Kalagni. Dash. Sadrusha. Kodah. Prithvi.
Sorry. Prithvi.
Dash. Samah.
Samaha.
Yeah. Shama. Dhanadaha. Dhanadaha. Dhanadaha.
अच्छा.
Dash. Samah. Tyaga.
How many more?
Last one. Aparaha. Dharmaha. Aparaha. Dharmaha. Dash. Iva. Satyam, sir.
Satyam. नपुंसकलिंग शब्द. और
विष्णु सदृशः वीर्यं सोमः प्रियदर्शनं कालाग्निः सदृशः क्रोधः
पृथ्वी
क्षमा धनदः समः त्यागः अपरः धर्मः इव सत्यम्.
अपरः धर्मः इव सत्यम्. राइट.
दर्शनम्.
हाँ, that is Pratipadika I have written. Darshanam is Napumsakalinga Shabda. Priya Darshanam. Priyam Darshanam Yasya Saha. Priya Darshanaha. That is. That Samasa we just studied, na?
Yes.
Just now it came with some that. So next we move. Saptamamshaha. Yudhodaharanam riktasa. Again, fill in the blanks. The book won't leave you unless you are perfect with this. No? So what is udaharana here? Sadrusha prayogaha, tulya prayogaha, sama prayogaha. Good. 5 points are there here. Prithivya sadrushaha, prithivya tulyaha, prithivya samaha. So just now I told you, in Tulanartha, in comparison, Srinivas, you have to put only Trutiya. Trutiya only comes. Prithivya sadrusha, Prithivya samaha, Prithivya tulya. Everywhere Prithvi Shabda is used in Trutiyanta. So go with remaining 2, 3, 4. 2 is partially given.
Kalagnina sadrusha, kalagni sadrusha. कालाग्निना तुल्यः कालाग्नि तुल्यः कालाग्निना समः कालाग्नि
समः. That's it. Kalagnina won't change. Kalagnina sadrushah, Kalagnina tulyah, Kalagnina samah. That's all. Kalagni. And then you join it. Kalagni tulyah, Kalagni sadrushah, Kalagni sadrushah, Kalagni sadrushah. 3.
Dhanadena sadrushah.
Dhanada sadrushah.
धनदेन तुल्यः धनद तुल्यः धनदेन समः धनद समः.
4. विष्णुना सदृशः
विष्णु सदृशः विष्णुना तुल्यः विष्णु तुल्यः विष्णुना समः विष्णु समः.
So विष्णुना तुल्यः विष्णु तुल्यः विष्णुना समः विष्णु समः. 4 or 5.
सोमेन सदृशः सोम सदृशः सोमेन तुल्यः सोम तुल्यः
सोमेन समः सोम समः. I think this is easy. You have done it very perfectly without any problem. So that is it. So put every word in Trutiya here and then join it. So I will just repeat fast. Kalagni sadrushaha, I am only giving you. Kalagni tulyaha, Kalagni samaha. I am giving the samasta padani patami. Dhanada sadrushaha, dhanada. No, I am not giving that. Samasta padam. Dhanada sadrushaha, dhanada tulyaha, dhanada samaha. Vishnu sadrushaha, Vishnu tulyaha, Vishnu samaha. Soma sadrushaha, Soma tulyaha, Soma samaha. That is how the Vigrahavakya, I mean the compounded words come. Vigrahavakya, you put the word in Trutiya. Astamamsham, Antimamsham atra. Yeah, you have to match as per the Anvayartha. Srinivas. One is done. Gambhirye Samudraiva. 2. Dhairyena Himavani. Ga. Dhairyena joining with Ga. 3. Krodhe Ka. First one. Kalagni Sadrusha. Krodhe Kalagni. 4. Satye. That is Ka. 4 joining with Ka. 5. Sadbihi Sarvadabhigataha. Cha. Down. Sindhubihi Samudraha iva. Cha. 5. Sadbihi joins with Cha. Then 6. The last one, jha, virye jha. 7,
क्षमया पृथिवी सम
jna. 8,
प्रियदर्शनः सोमः
cha, somavat. Priyadarshana joins with cha. And 10th one, tyage,
त्यागे धनदेन सम
that is ja. I think we will only write one letter. Is it difficult otherwise? No. So I will only give the letters here. One is given there. Dhairyena joins with ga. Krodhe, third joins with ka, first one. Satye joins with kha, the second one. Fifth joins sadbihi cha, which is, well, you count and see. Then sixth, virye joins with jha, which is their last word on the right side. Seventh one, gna, which is to the right, fifth one. And then the eighth one is joining with cha, chakara, simple cha. That is the sixth one. And the last one is ja, tyage joins with ja. So there, evam asmakam ashtama abhyasah api susampannah bhavati. Idanim shlokapatanam punah. Nava ekona vimshaha vimshaha eka vimshaha shlokaha tatra shlokatrayam asti. एकोनविंशस्य श्लोकस्य पूर्वार्धं पूर्वमेव आगतम् एवमेव एकविंशः श्लोकस्य पादद्वयम् अग्रे आगमिष्यति पेज 71 तत्र पृष्ठसङ्ख्या 170 तमे पृष्ठे दत्तमस्ति इतः पूर्वं वयं पठामः समयः अस्ति खलु कति निमेषाः शेषाः 5 ओके पठनं भवितुम् अर्हति
धनदेन समस्त्यागे सत्ये धर्मैवापरः तमेवं गुणसम्पन्नं रामं सत्यपराक्रमं ज्येष्ठं ज्येष्ठगुणैर्युक्तं प्रियं दशरथसुतं प्रकृतीनां हितैर्युक्तं प्रकृतिप्रियकाम्यया यौवराज्येन संयोक्तुमैच्छत् प्रीत्या महीपतिः
तस्याभिषेक संभारान् then continues you can read that line also यौवराज्येन संयोक्तुमैच्छत् प्रीत्या मही 71 page
तस्याभिषेक संभारान् दृष्ट्वा भार्याथ
कैकयी इति सो पदच्छेदः तम् एवं गुण संपन्नं रामं सत्यपराक्रमं ज्येष्ठं ज्येष्ठगुणैः सुतं
प्रकृतीनां हितैः युक्तं प्रकृतिप्रियकाम्यया यौवराज्येन संयोक्तुम् ऐच्छतु प्रीत्या महीपतिः
सो इति पदच्छेदः पदपरिचयः
पदं तं तद् दकारान्त सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग द्वितीय एकवचनं सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग
सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग तदिति सर्वनाम शब्दः तत् शब्दे तत्र त्रयोऽपि लिङ्गशब्दाः भवन्ति पुल्लिङ्गः भवति पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः भवति स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः भवति नपुंसकलिङ्गः सः तौ ते इति पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः सा ते ताः इति स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः तत्ते तानि इति नपुंसकलिङ्गशब्दः सो तम् इति पुल्लिङ्गे
एवं गुणसम्पन्नम् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग द्वितीय एकवचनं समस्तं रामम् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग द्वितीय एकवचनं सत्यपराक्रमम् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग द्वितीय एकवचनं समस्तं ज्येष्ठम् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग द्वितीय एकवचनं ज्येष्ठगुणैः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग तृतीय बहुवचनं
समस्तपदम्
अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग द्वितीय
एकवचनं प्रियम्
अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग द्वितीय एकवचनं
दशरथः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग प्रथमः सुतम् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग
द्वितीय एकवचनं प्रकृतीनाम् इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग
षष्ठी बहुवचनं
हितैः अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग तृतीय बहुवचनं युक्तम् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग
द्वितीय
एकवचनं प्रकृति प्रियकाम्यया
आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द
एकवचनं समस्तं यव्वराज्येन अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग तृतीय एकवचनं संयोक्तुं तुमुन्नन्तम्
अव्ययम् पुनः ऐच्छत् इष इति कर्तरि प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनम्
प्रीत्या इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग तृतीय एकवचनं महीपतिः इकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम एकवचनं समस्तम्
अत्र वयं स्थापयामः। शुभं भूयात्।